What are critical points in absolute value inequalities algebra? Imagine trying to find where a certain condition is true on a number line. Critical points are the key spots that help us understand how the inequality behaves. They are special values of the variable where the expression inside the absolute value changes its nature. Think of them as the turning points or boundaries that split the number line into sections. When working with absolute value inequalities, the inside part of the absolute value, like x minus a, can be positive or negative depending on the value of x. Critical points are where this inside expression equals 0. For example, if you have the absolute value of x minus 3, the critical point is at x equals 3 because that makes the inside 0. This is the point where the behavior of the absolute value shifts from positive to negative or vice versa. In inequalities like the absolute value of x minus a less than or equal to b, the critical points come from the boundary of the inequality. You find these by solving the inside expression equal to positive b and negative. For instance, if you have the absolute value of x minus 3 less than or equal to 5, you set x minus 3 equal to 5 and negative 5. Solving these gives u equals 8 and x equals negative 2. These are the boundary points that tell you where the solution starts and ends. Knowing these critical points helps you break the problem into smaller parts. You can test each part to see if the inequality holds true there. This makes solving easier because you only need to check the intervals between the critical points. It also helps you draw a clear picture of the solution on the number line. For example, with the inequality x minus 3 less than or equal to 5, the critical points are at x equals negative 2 and x equals 8. The solution includes all x values between these points. So, the solution set is from negative to up to 8, including both endpoints. Finding critical points is a simple but powerful step in solving absolute value inequalities. It shows you exactly where to look and how to split the problem into manageable parts. This way, you can confidently determine where the inequality is true and visualize it clearly on a number line. It makes solving these types of problems less confusing and more straightforward.